Alright, so actually I'm waiting here for my gaming chair. I actually bought it from TTRacing. Okay, I bought it, the model is SwiftX 2020. So let's see how it goes. I'm still waiting for my friend to come actually deliver it over to me because he I mean to order from Lazada. So he have the vouchers and I get a pretty good price for that. And I'm still waiting for him. Okay, so I'll carry on later. See ya. All right, so I finally get the chair. So as you can see over here, so that's it. So my hip level here. So now I'll do the unboxing. And I'll probably review later on. Okay, here we go. That's the base chair. I know what you want to ask. Why did I just let it down? Because just now I was like cutting off all the stickers, all the scotch tape. Yeah. Oh shit. Here we go. Pause. Bleeding a little. The SwiftX 2020 that I get is black color because just to match my CPU and also all my monitor and etc. Okay, so we have the accessory box. Right, the pillow, and this should be the support of the bridge between the cushion and the stand. So okay, we go to round two. All right, round two. So got the instruction from here. So that's the instruction that we get, and congratulations, welcome for using TTRacing. Alright, this is the first time I tried the gaming chair, so let's go. So as you can see, that one. Let's go for the base. Okay, just to be careful, not getting any cut on these fabric pillows, fabric things. Okay. You know, just like casing, the wheels, and this should be the what do you call this? Suspension? Yeah, should be suspension. All right. Always exciting to do that. Shopping, spending, but at the same time you're broke. But for the sake of my back and my waist, I have to invest a little bit on that. So you know, now currently I'm doing my channel in YouTube and also Twitch for my game live stream. Talking about channel, so if you haven't seen it yet, So, and you also like some games, especially with walkthrough gameplay, then sometimes I will actually have some review or reaction towards new games. Yeah, so if you really want to have a look, check the link below or anywhere that inside the screen if you actually seen that. So have a check, okay, have a look on that. So if you like it, click the like button and subscribe. Okay, so we're done for the first one, and we're going for second one. Okay. So we have the back seat. Okay. Oh, okay. So that's the hole we're talking about. So these are screw hole that we're talking about. So there's also both of at the cushion this side and the other side. They also have the zip, so you can actually wait, where's the, oh, here you go. Let me check on this. So there's a cushion thingy here. Yep, in case there's anything you can just check it, but for the time being, no. It's still brand new, so I don't think I'll do anything on it. This is a very good workout when you're trying to assemble something. Looking at the color, I started to like it every day. Yeah, this is the black I want. TTRacing may not be the super premium kind of grade for gaming chair, but they are so far they're the most affordable one, and which also have some reputation. So yeah, I think you should get one. Nowadays they have offers in October, yeah, so you should get one. Right, part 2 done. As you can see, we felt it, starting to feel comfy. Okay, part 2. Let's go for the armrest. Not the armrest, sorry. Number 3. Ouch. Okay, for this one. use my leg to actually hold it. Okay, start feel the grip. Okay, it's getting in. It's all good for the moment. Let's go for the next, which is this part, number 4. So we can get all 4 screws. Up first. Okay, so it's easier for us to screw later on. Everything need to be done, take times. So don't know what's assume it's going to be just a quick one. As I recording this video, including the unboxing time and so on, is like maybe already 25 minutes. 25, it's almost like half an hour now. Because the recording just now was like pause and play, record and pause and record, so it probably won't be. But I assume that this is going to take around, like, including the unboxing. If you do it quick, not doing like me, so for unboxing and recording as well. So, and also the review, the chit chat part. So, without those, it probably takes around like 20 to 25 minutes, I guess. button to check it. So let's assemble. Oh, the sitting position is just comfy. So okay, so there's no adjustment yet. Oh, okay. So you can adjust a little bit higher. Of course, how stupid I am. Okay. And yeah, as you can see, there you go. Abra, cadabra.